My name is Chris Malone, and I will be your instructor for HLA 311. The title of this course is Data Science Applications in Healthcare, and this is being offered for the first time in the summer of 2021 here at Winona State University. We developed this course because there's an increased need in understanding how to work with data, how to manage data, how to summarize and visualize data, to gain an understanding of some of the models that are used to make predictions in data science, and most importantly, to understand how to communicate with data. This course will use two different course management systems. We will certainly use D2L, like many of the other courses here at Winona State University, but we will also use a website, StatsClass.org. So I will describe what elements we will use in D2L and what requirements we will have at StatsClass.org. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on then and show you some of the elements of D2L and StatsClass. So we will certainly use D2L. Okay, so this course will be set up here. We will use the announcements here at the beginning. We will use the message board for communication if we need it, or when it's needed. We will use the gradebook in D2L. And then I will attempt to use the calendar in D2L as well to keep you informed of what, as course notes are pushed out and assignments are due, etc. What we will not do in D2L is obtain our notes or submit assignments. So for those elements of the course, we will be using StatsClass.org. So you can go to www.statsclass.org. You can see that we have HLA 311 link here right on the front. If we click on that, this is what the website looks like at statsclass.org. Again, we will use this site to complete the interactive course notes. You will be able to obtain all the videos for the course at statsclass.org. All videos will be posted to YouTube, so you'll be able to watch them from there. Also at StatsClass, you will be submitting your homework assignments. So I do not use D2L's homework submission process. As I said a moment ago, we will certainly use D2L for our schedules, the message board, the gradebook, things like that. You can see here there will be a table right at StatsClass. Okay, so right on the main page, there's only one page here. And this will have all of our course materials. These will be broken out by each of the modules. For each module, there will be a set of course notes that you need to complete. There will be a video that will be provided for those course notes. So these are kind of the lecture videos that we will use. And then we'll have course assignments for some or probably most of the modules will either have a guided homework or what I call a regular homework assignment. I'll talk about those a little bit more below. All the videos will be provided here in the video archive. So the video that we're making right here will be posted here for you for your review. Okay, let's talk about some of the syllabus items then. So in addition to D2L, you're going to need an account at statsclass.org. Now this account is necessary so that when you submit your course notes or your homework assignments, I know who you are. The login for that will be up here in the upper right-hand corner of the course webpage here at statsclass.org. I will actually create a video to show you how to create that student account. There will be a set of interactive course notes that will be developed for this course. So I do not use PowerPoint for my notes. They're actually going to be web pages that will have boxes that you will have to complete certain tasks. For example, you might have to do something in a spreadsheet, and that spreadsheet will actually become part of your notes. Or maybe we'll go off and create some sort of visualization. You will have to take a screenshot of that and put that into your notes, perhaps. So your course notes will actually contain elements that I provide, and then also tasks that you will have to complete. And there might just be questions embedded within the notes that I will ask you to complete as well. After you submit your course notes, the answers to those questions, or if it's a screenshot, I will show you my screenshot, will be provided so that you can check your understanding of the content being covered. And this will be true for all of the notes. All notes will be of this interactive type. I'll provide another short video to show you how to submit and work through those course notes. The first couple will take a little bit of getting used to, but then I find that students fall right into this and are able to complete those quite easily without much trouble. Most modules will include either a guided homework assignment or what I call a regular homework assignment. The homework assignments are going to be distributed with Google Docs. So I do not use PowerPoint or Word or even Excel. I ask that you use Google Docs to complete your assignments and also working with data. In spreadsheets, we will likely use Google Docs. After you complete your assignment, you will need to log into your student account here at StatsClass. Again, doing that up here in the upper right-hand corner. And then you'll be able to submit those homework assignments. Again, in order to submit your course notes or your homework assignments, you will need to be logged into your account here at StatsClass. How is the grading or the assessment of the work going to be done? You will get points for completing your course notes. You're going to have to answer questions and complete tasks within those. So I'm going to give those point values. If you gave a very weak attempt or did not complete the tasks that I asked, you're not going to get any points for those notes. If you attempted to successfully complete the tasks and answer the questions posed, you will get 3 points for that. You can submit the notes as many times as you want. If you're not sure or are unclear about what needs to be done, you can submit the notes and then go back and finish the tasks, or for that matter, change your answers of the questions. I am not looking for correctness in your notes. I would just like you to complete them and attempt to do that successfully. The notes are for you to learn about the data tasks that you are being asked to do, or to understand questions being asked there. After you complete your set of course notes, you will be required to complete either a guided homework assignment or a regular homework assignment. For the guided homework assignments, if you don't make any attempt to complete that, you will receive a 0. If you make a reasonable attempt to complete the assignment, you will get 4 points for that. And you will get 7 points for sufficiently completing the assignment. So let's suppose that the assignment has 3 questions and you were able to answer 2 of those, you would get 4 points. If the assignment had 3 questions, you were able to successfully answer 2 of those, and then on the third question, you attempted to provide an answer. You got kind of close, but maybe it wasn't exactly correct. That's okay. You're going to get 7 points for that assignment. So again, the guided homework assignments are for you to learn about how to complete the tasks, the data tasks that you're being asked to complete. I do not need complete correctness on the guided homework assignments for you to get 7 points. So that's why I use the word sufficiently complete. Doesn't have to be all correct, but I need to see a good effort in completing that work. As soon as you submit a guided homework assignment, my solution will be provided to you. Again, you should carefully review those solutions before moving on to the next content to be covered. Finally, for some of the modules or parts, we will have regular homework assignments. These are going to be more traditional in nature. They might not have as many hints as the guided homework assignments. These are typically going to be worth about 20 points, and you can expect the regular homework assignments to take you between 1 to 2 hours to complete. You cannot submit homework assignments after the solutions have been posted. So when the deadline is reached, oftentimes solutions will be automatically posted, and I cannot accept assignments after the solutions have been released. So please keep that in mind, and I ask you to complete the work before the specified deadlines. Final grades will be quite standard for an undergraduate course: 90, 80, 70, 60. Learning outcomes for this course: the student will demonstrate the application of the data science cycle. So we'll talk through what the data science cycle is about. We will certainly work with different elements of that data science cycle throughout the course. The student will demonstrate knowledge of common project development issues. So what issues commonly come up when we're working through the data science cycle? You'll be asked to perform, analyze, and critique various methods for the curation and the management of data. You'll be asked to calculate and organize and evaluate data summaries and visualizations. We will talk about, and I will ask you to interpret outcomes from various predictive models that are used in data science applications. And also some very basic machine learning algorithms will be introduced in this course. And as I mentioned earlier, I feel that the most important part is to be able to assemble and evaluate data for the communication of outcomes to others. On the bottom of the course website here is the course syllabus. That's just the standard course syllabus that is provided on the Winona State website there. Okay. Again, we will kind of work through, I think it'll be fine that we will work through both StatsClass.org, okay, for this, again, the submission of the notes and the homework assignments, but also we'll use D2L for our schedule, our message board, etc. Okay, that does it for our introductory video. I ask that you have patience as we are developing this course this summer. So there probably will be typos. Things might not go real smoothly, but I will try my best. And we will get through this together, I guess, is my motto here. All right, thank you very much and have a good evening.